In today's case, we meet Jacqueline Wells, walking into court with a brand new defense attorney, one who was only appointed today. Imagine that, your lawyer has had less than 24 hours to prepare for your future. Would you feel confident in that situation?
2022 CR 3998, State of Texas versus Jacqueline Wells. That party is announced for the record for the state.
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Joseph Statson for Ms. Wells.
And are you Ms. Wells? All right. And Mr. Statson, when were you appointed to represent Ms. Wells?
I was appointed today. I explained that to my client that she had 10 days for me to prepare for any hearing. And we both agreed to waive that notice of appearance. Waive the 10 days notice.
All right. Ms. Wells, do you wish to continue? All right. And you understand that your attorney does have 10 days to prepare?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And knowing that, you wish to continue with the motion to revoke?
The judge quickly outlines Jacqueline's violation, failing to report to her probation officer. When asked how she pleads, she responds with just one word, true. That single word gives the court full power to sentence her to state jail. Do you think she truly understood the weight of that decision?
All right, you need to speak up. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jacqueline Ann Wells who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3998 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on July 7, 2022 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jacqueline N. Wells, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State waives all the violations.
Any objections?
None.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for the motion to be granted and for revocation and for 10 months in the state jail facility.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor, and we would ask that all her back time credit apply. She has 139 days.
Then comes the shocking admission. Jacqueline openly confesses she's been using meth and alcohol since her release. The judge doesn't sugarcoat it. He warns her that one more relapse could cost her her life, and her children could lose their mother forever. Do you think her honesty helped her case, or sealed her fate?
Credit.
Okay.
And then the state's also going to take into consideration NIMAG number 713316.
All right, Ms. Wells, are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have a few questions for your client.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Have I been, I've been in Bexar County.
No, I mean, you haven't been doing your probation. Why not? What's been going on?
I know last time that I came, I was supposed to be going to Sativ. That's what you recommended. And whenever I was waiting for my treatment bed in jail, Bexar County, I wasn't aware that, I just got released without any paperwork. So I don't know.
And so you got released and you're, oh, happy day, I'm released and I'm just going to live my life?
Honestly, I thought that I had just gotten time served or something. I didn't understand why I just got released, but I thought that I don't know. I just know it wasn't Sativ, so.
Instead of simply locking her up, the judge offers 2 paths, 10 months in jail, or a chance at recovery through felony drug court. The difference couldn't be more extreme, counting days behind bars, or fighting for a future free from addiction. If you were in her shoes, which choice would you take?
I understand why I just got released, but I thought that I don't know. I just know it wasn't Sativ, so. Other than that,
Okay. So I want you to be honest with me, okay? I'm looking at following this plea bargain agreement, but I want to know some things about you. And then, depending on what you tell me, I will probably give you a choice, okay? But the 10 months will definitely be one of those choices. So do you have any children?
Yes.
And how old are they?
One is 15 and the other one is 9.
Right, and where are they?
With the dads.
Okay. And was Child Protective Services involved? And what drugs have you been using since you were released?
Since I was released, meth,
Meth?
alcohol.
Okay, meth and alcohol. It appears to the court that you have a drug problem. And you need to have that drug problem taken care of. Otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening? The last time you use may be the last time you use, and then your children will definitely not have their mother in their.
But the twists continue. The state steps in to clarify, Jacqueline wasn't released by accident. She had been disqualified from a program due to medical issues. Her earlier explanation doesn't quite match the facts. Was she bending the truth, or just caught in the confusion of the system?
Life. You still have a chance, maybe, if you get yourself together, if you get clean and sober, you may still have a chance to be in their life. But you must be clean and sober. And the fact that you were released accidentally or whatever happened, and you've been using, I appreciate your honesty telling me that you've been using. That tells me that you need help. So if you would like, I can send you to the state jail facility for 10 months. What's going to end up happening is you're going to go to state jail facility for 10 months. You'll do your time. You're counted off on the calendar, and you are going to get back out and you will use again. Or I can continue you, and I'll continue you, and I'll have you placed in an inpatient treatment, or either see if felony drug court would accept her or wants her. Have you ever been to felony drug court? Mm-hmm. Those are the choices I can give you. So if you want to do your 10 months, I will follow that agreement, but you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does. But based upon your track record, when you get out of jail or state jail facility after counting your 10 months off, you're going to.
Finally, the court strikes a balance, extending her probation by 2 years, keeping her in custody, and sending her to felony drug court. It's a lifeline, but a fragile one. The judge makes it clear, if she's released by mistake again, she must return to court immediately. Do you think she'll take that warning seriously?
You're going to go be with whomever you were with before who's using with you. And you may end up dying from that. You understand? So if you want a chance to be clean and sober, to be the person you were meant to be, not the person who's picking up criminal cases, not the person who's using, then I will give you that chance to do that. So what would you prefer?
The chance.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do.
Your Honor, may I?
Yes.
So I just want the court to be aware that she wasn't actually let go erroneous or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
She was disqualified from status.
Okay.
So she had medical issues that prohibited her to actually go to status.
Yes.
So in looking at the case, the modifications were after status based on her previous NTR. This is her third NTR.
Okay.
So based on previous NTRs that we've had, the modifications the last time was to do status, and then after that, a felony drug court. So if Your Honor would like, we can just move forward with the felony drug court referral, see if we can get her the help that she needs.
All right. We're going to then, if both state and the defense are in agreement, I will deny the motion, alternate amend conditions. You'll be referred to felony drug court. You're going to remain in custody. And Mr. States, and if you can contact felony drug court and let them know that she really needs the help and she wants the help. But when they come and interview you, you must really let them know that you need the help, because I know they're getting close to probably reaching the number of persons they can have there. Do you understand? All right. So what I'm going to do then,
And I apologize, ma'am.
yes, yes.
It does state that she expires.
Just when things seem settled, Jacqueline asks for permission to transfer probation to Houston to live with her boyfriend. The judge's answer is blunt: without financial independence, it's a recipe for disaster. Have you ever seen someone risk stability just to follow a relationship?
In July of 2024. So
We'll extend her. Yes. So I'm going to extend you, and I'm going to extend you for 2 years. But the nature of your case, it's not a case where if you complete everything that you can't be terminated early. And normally in felony drug court, if you complete everything and you complete their program, they will allow you to be terminated.
In one of the most powerful moments, the judge offers life advice. When you first meet someone, you don't meet the real person, you meet their publicist. Over time, the truth reveals itself. That wisdom goes far beyond this case. Do you agree with the judge's perspective?
Early. Terminated is not a bad thing on the criminal side. It's not like the
Early discharge.
yes, it is not. What's the name of the movie with Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Terminator.
Terminator. It's not the Terminator. So you will not be terminated in that way. It will be a good way. So I'm finding violation of condition number 4 true. I'm going to extend her for 2 years, and we'll do a referral to felony drug court. And that's to take place while you are in custody. And if for any reason you get released, you know you're not supposed to be released. So if you are accidentally released or something is not right with the paperwork and they release you, you know what you need to do? Come straight to this court right away and say, Judge, I've been released and I know I'm not supposed to be released. Do you understand? All right. So this is your chance. You need to take it. All right. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
If she does not qualify for felony drug court, would you like compliance hearing?
Yes. If she doesn't, if she's not eligible, then bring her back here from the jail and we'll figure out what to do.
The ruling is final: no transfer to Houston, extended probation, and a referral to drug court. It's not just punishment, it's a chance at redemption. For Jacqueline, this could be the turning point, or the last chance she ever gets.
And we'll keep Mr. Stetson, if you could make sure that you follow through till she's accepted.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Is there anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Well, really, it's just I kind of wanted like a fresh start. My boyfriend lives there, and then my house, I live with my mom, but I also live with like my aunt, my grandma, my brother, my sister, and then my other sister's moving back from Illinois. So it's just kind of like a lot of people in a small place, and it's kind of overwhelming.
Mhm.
And it's like,
How long have you known this boyfriend?
I've known him for a year, but we were friends and then we started dating.
This case highlights the delicate balance courts must strike between accountability and compassion. Instead of 10 months in jail, Jacqueline now has a chance at recovery, but also a clear warning that this chance may be her last. What do you think? Was the judge too lenient, or did he make the right call? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama.
Here's the thing, and this is just me giving you a little life lesson. Not something that I've experienced, but something that I've seen with my friends.
Yeah.
And I'm sure any parent will tell you, do not go from state to state, city to city, following a boyfriend, following a girlfriend. And sometimes people say marriage is just paper, but you're uprooting your entire life to go live with this boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
And what I was always taught, if you're going to be uprooting your life to go live with somebody, one, you got to be able to say when things get bad and things are not how they should be or you think they should be, you got to have your own so you can say, I'm not tolerating this.
Mm-hmm.
Peace. You're not in that situation. Basically, what you're doing is you're running from a problem you have. What you need to do, if you don't want to live in the place that you're living, get a job, get your own play. You are trying to successfully complete your probation. What do you even know about him? Do you know if he has any criminal cases?
He doesn't.
Did you do a background check?
No.
So basically, you're depending on him telling you, this is what I have, right? And you have not lived together, right?
Correct.
This is the other thing that I know. Right now, the time that you've known this boyfriend, you haven't met him. You know who you've been meeting? His publicist, his hype person. Because when you first meet somebody, nobody lets the crazy come forward. If they do let the crazy come forward on the first date, you definitely shouldn't be with them. But usually what you're doing is you're meeting their publicist. And then slowly you start meeting the real person. So my answer to you of whether or not you can transfer to Houston is no. If you show me that you can financially support yourself, then the court will change that opinion. Because right now, if you end up going to Houston, we have to find a probation officer in Houston. And then if your boyfriend, something goes down and he ends up kicking you out, then you're going to come back to court and say, I don't have a place to live. My boyfriend kicked me out, and everything is going to go downhill for you. So my answer to whether or not you can transfer to Houston to be with your boyfriend where you don't have employment or anything else, the answer is absolutely not. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.